Printoss Instant Photo Printer. It is an instant photo printer that works like a scanner. Great for keeping memories. It works with Instax mini films. How it works. Load the film pack. Turn the knob to remove the first unusable film. It's ready for print. When the back of it shows 10, this refers to number of films. Tips and tricks. Prepare your phone for scanning. Switch on flight mode. Turn up brightness to maximum. Set phone auto lock to never or to chosen time duration. Check the guide on the frame for the correct orientation. You can zoom photo in or out until you get the perfect frame. Position it well. Let's start printing. Love the result.